Hello, my absolutely wonderful financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. and welcome to another fantastically flavorful Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session. I'm so excited to spice up our savings routine with some seriously delicious financial inspiration today. We'll be filling our zesty Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelopes, checking in with our adorable pig who's learning to navigate the eternal struggle between wanting to save and being tempted to splurge, and celebrating our wise little pig who mastered the beautiful art of investing in experiences that create the most incredible memories. You know what I absolutely love about Taco Tuesday? Just like building the perfect taco requires the right balance of flavors and textures, building the perfect financial life requires the right balance of saving for tomorrow while still savoring today. There's something so beautifully satisfying about approaching our money with the same care and creativity that goes into crafting something so delicious. So, let's set up our envelope stuffing station, organize our cash like we're prepping ingredients for a masterpiece, and create a savings experience that's as fulfilling as our favorite comfort meal. We will be starting our Taco Tuesday with a total of 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. $125. Let's move some things around, see if we can get our cash in frame, and hopefully sometime soon we will have things where we can set up our cash tray and enjoy our space. We will be starting our Taco Tuesday savings session with none other than our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. And for June, today is the 17th, which is the third Tuesday of the month. Let's get this colored in. All right, let's put that to the side so it can dry, and we will be saving $17. 10, 15, 16, $17. Let's see how much we have saved total for Taco Tuesday. We have $300 in surplus reserve and 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. Let's condense this by using our surplus reserve to exchange these smaller bills for a $50 bill. We'll put our 50 here, and we will grab these 20s, place them in the envelope here, and our 10 to place in the envelope here. So there we go. We've got $357 saved for Taco Tuesday. Next in our Taco Tuesday savings lineup, we have Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend. Let's grab that challenge here. And of course, as always, we are going to take this challenge out of the book for ease, and we will get to working out our challenge here. We are going to scratch off 3 of these. We're gonna start right here. All right, and we are out the gate going strong, and we have $6. 5, 6. So that's one of our scratch offs there, and let's go right here. And we have $8. It looks like we are getting all of our high numbers out the way. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do one more. All right, and that gives us 3. So we will trade in these 2 ones for a $5 bill. And on this page, we have saved a total of $17 today in Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend. Now on the back side of this is our 3rd week So we will be saving $11. So 5, 10, 11. And give me a moment to get our ice creams colored and I'll be right back. All right, our ice cream up here is $2. And this time it's a vanilla ice cream. All right, and we have our watermelon for $3, so that makes 5. All right, we have an ice cream sundae for 5, which will make 10. And we're gonna do one of these popsicles to make $11. All right, we're all colored in. We've got our vanilla ice cream, a watermelon, an ice cream sundae, and this time we chose bronze for our spoon and bowl, and one of our popsicles to make $11 total. Let's place this back in our binder and let's see how much we've saved total in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend for today. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, $28 total that we are adding to Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. In total for the year thus far, we have $800 in our high yield savings, $100 in surplus reserve, so that's $900, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we've got $40. We can swap these bills out for 2 20s out of our surplus reserve so that way we can keep our envelope condensed, make sure that it's healthy and we're not stretching it out at any given time. So this is our $10 bill, so that's 10. Our $5 bills, so that's 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So this is our ones. So we just put $40 in here to account for the 2 20s that we took out. So that means that we now have a total of $940 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. Let's move right along to our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And in this challenge, we are going to start out by scratching off 2 of our circles here. We're starting out with $1, and then we'll go here in the grass. And this one is another $3, which makes 4. 1, 2, 3. So now that's $4. And now it is time to roll. This is our 3rd Tuesday of the month, so we will be rolling a total of 8 times. So we will roll these 2 dice 4 times. Now let's roll and see what we come up with. All right, we've got 5 here. So let's see, we've got 3 and 2. We have a 3 here and a 2 here. All right, we'll put the 5 there. Let's roll again. We've got 4 and 2. Let's see if we have another 2, because if not, we may have to roll that one again. So we've got a 4, so we'll keep the 4, and we're gonna have to roll again because we do not have 2. So let's roll again, and it is a 6 to make 10. So 5, 10, and we will color in this 6 here. We'll roll another time. We do not have a 2, so we'll roll this one again. And this is a 1. So we've got a 4 and a 1, which is 5. So we're gonna color in this 1 here, and then this 4 here. This is our last roll. This is roll number 4 of these 2 dice. And we have a 2 and a 1. We do not have a 2. So let's roll this one again, and it is a 4. So that's another $5. And we have a 4 here and a 1 here. All right, so we colored in a total of 8 dice here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now for Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we're saving 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29. Now let's take a look and see how much we've saved total with Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. All right, we've got 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we're gonna put these 2 ones here. Let's see if we have a 10. We do. So now we've got 12. This here in my hand should be $100. We will place a $100 placeholder in here. Let's see. 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we will get a $100 placeholder out of our surplus reserve. We'll place that placeholder here. And let's get this $100 here inside. This is 50, 70. Now we've got 5. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 5 ones. Now let's not forget in the back, we need to place an entry here for Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And this is 617. I substitute this as LPT. We'll say $100 here. And we will make this into $1,642. Now let's take a look, and now it shows $112 saved total. Remember, this is one that as of right now we empty each and every month because we utilize the money to pay for travel that we've already taken. Now, once we've caught up and paid that off, we will then start utilizing the funds to pay for travel that we will take in the future, and that's when we will allow the funds to collect and add up, just as we've been doing for Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. And that wraps up another absolutely delectable Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session. Just like a perfectly crafted taco brings together all the best elements in perfect harmony, you're bringing together all the best financial habits to create something truly beautiful and sustainable. Our pig friends continue to remind us that the most satisfying life comes from knowing exactly when to save our pennies and when to spend them on the things we truly need to feed our souls. Thank you for joining me on today's flavorful financial adventure. My amazing financial fashionistas, remember that your approach to money should be just like your favorite family recipe. It gets more perfect with every iteration, seasoned with your own unique style and values that make it completely yours. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. reminding you that financial wellness should taste as good as it feels. Keep being fabulous, keep those envelopes growing, and I'll see you next time for more savings inspiration that's as satisfying as it is smart.